The P0324 diagnostic trouble code in Chevrolet vehicles indicates a knock control system error. This code signals that the engine control module has detected an issue with the knock sensor control circuit or its performance parameters. To understand this code, we need to examine how engines work. During the combustion stroke, the air-fuel mixture should burn smoothly and progressively. However, sometimes abnormal combustion occurs, creating engine knock or ping. When engine knock occurs, it can cause severe damage to engine components. This image shows a piston that has suffered detonation damage, with visible cracks and erosion from abnormal combustion. The knock control system prevents this damage by continuously monitoring for abnormal combustion. Knock sensors detect vibrations caused by engine knock, and the engine control module processes these signals to adjust ignition timing. The P0324 code can be triggered by several common issues. The most frequent cause is faulty knock sensors, especially in high-mileage vehicles where the sensors lose sensitivity over time. Wiring and electrical problems are another major cause, including corroded connections and damaged wiring harnesses that can cause erratic sensor readings. ECM-related issues, such as software glitches or internal failures, can also trigger this code, though these are less common. Finally, mechanical engine problems like carbon buildup or using incorrect fuel octane can overwhelm the knock control system and trigger the P0324 code. Understanding these common causes helps technicians diagnose P0324 codes more effectively. The knock control system is essential for protecting your engine while maintaining optimal performance and fuel economy. Diagnosing the P0324 knock sensor code requires a systematic approach with specific tools and procedures. We'll walk through the complete diagnostic and repair process. The diagnostic process involves 5 critical steps. First, perform an initial scan using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0324 code and check for related diagnostic trouble codes. Step 2 involves a thorough visual inspection of the knock sensor wiring and connections. Look for damaged wires, corrosion, or loose connections that could cause signal problems. Step 3 requires sensor testing using an oscilloscope or multimeter. The oscilloscope shows the actual knock sensor waveform, while a multimeter can verify basic electrical values. Steps 4 and 5 involve circuit testing to verify continuity and resistance in sensor circuits, followed by checking for proper ECM response to sensor inputs. Once diagnosed, repair solutions vary by cause and cost. Sensor replacement is the most common fix, costing between $150 and $400 including labor. Wiring repairs range from $200 to $600 depending on the extent of damage. ECM reprogramming costs $100 to $300, while complete ECM replacement can cost $800 to $1,500 in rare cases. Prevention is key to avoiding P0324 codes. Use recommended fuel octane ratings and perform fuel system cleaning every 30,000 miles. Address check engine lights promptly to prevent further damage. Watch for warning signs including engine knock or ping under acceleration, reduced power, poor fuel economy, and rough idle. These symptoms indicate developing knock sensor issues that need immediate attention.